House Speaker Faustino Bojidi III described the arrest of former Representative Zaldico in the Czech Republic as a significant step towards justice. According to the Speaker, Co's arrest proves that rule of law and accountability are being upheld, especially amid allegations of corruption in government flood control projects. He added that the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is clearly showing a strong stance against corruption. He also emphasized that the House remains focused on bigger national issues, including the impact of the Middle East crisis on the economy. House Committee on Public Accounts Chairperson Terry Ridon expressed hope that Co will reveal the truth and provide more information about the alleged anomalies in the flood control projects.
Inaasahan natin na pagbalik po ni former Congressman Zaldico na makakapagbigay po siya ng dagdag na impormasyon doon po sa lahat ng mga usapin na tungkol sa mga anomalyang flood control project sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa. Pangalawa, mabibigyan din po siya ng pagkakataon na makapaglatag ng kanyang ebidensya doon po sa mga kasong kinakaharap niya po sa Sandigan Bayan, kasama ho dyan yung kaso sa Mindoro at iba pa.
The Trade Union Congress of the Philippines, or TUCP, called for the return of the allegedly stolen public funds and for the responsible to be held accountable. According to TUCP, following President Marcos Jr.'s confirmation of Co's arrest, this should mark the beginning of the broader investigation into corruption and accountability of all involved. Meanwhile, mamamayang Liberal Party List Representative Laila de Lima stressed that the government should fast-track the deportation of former Representative Zaldico following his arrest. According to de Lima, it is important for Co to face the cases filed against him and disclose all information and evidence alleged irregularities in the flood control projects. Akbayan Party List Representative Chel Jokno also described the arrest of the former lawmaker as a development. According to Jokno, this is also an opportunity for Co to explain his side and answer the allegations against him. He also emphasized that the rule of law must apply to everyone, including those in power. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.